really dangerous. I should not be filming this. I was not smart enough to grab my tripod before I got in the car and packed all of my stuff in here. So this is like my intro. You guys probably won't see me again until obviously the car is stopped and I'm not, you know, risking my life to film this. So I'll see you soon. Okay, YouTube, so as you guys can clearly see, this is not move-in day anymore, and that's because I just got really overwhelmed and I wanted to have time to decorate and kind of just get a decent amount of stuff unpacked. However, it is still not even close to being done, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just give you guys a mini little tour, but also kind of just explain where everything's going. I haven't moved anything since yesterday. I honestly just woke up today and got groceries laid out at the pool, and now we're here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of show you guys what you see when you walk in, and then also explain what my motives are for everything that I have going on in my room. Okay, so when you first walk in, I just have my own little area right here. What I'm gonna be using that for is just like my keys and stuff. I'm also talking kind of quiet because I think one of my roommates are sleeping right now. But yeah, so I have a bathroom right here, as you guys can see, and I'm kind of gonna just shine my ring light on everything just to show you guys an overview of what it looks like and explain. Okay, so here is the door, and then I just put a little cube thing right here, which again, it's a literal mess right now. I don't have everything that I want, and I think I want these cubes to be gray instead of white. I'm not too sure. But here is my bathroom. I basically wanted to do black and white and a little bit of gray. So if you come in here, I have a phone case right here, so ignore that. But here is that marble tray I showed you guys multiple times, talking about it in my college apartment haul, and you guys haven't watched that, definitely go click the iCard. I just have a couple pairs of rings and then a really cute necklace that my roommate got me. My everyday things that I literally grab multiple times a day, and that is my micellar water, my coconut milk for my hair, and my little cotton pads, and I have them in an empty candle jar. I just have Palmer's sitting right there, and then I have my soap, which again you guys saw. Here I am, and then my sink. I have a cute little candle out right now, and then that really cute fake plant I got from Five Below. Above here is my Society 6 little print. That's a butt, and somebody's grabbing it. I think it's so cute, and I just really love the wall art, and I just love vibe for the bathroom. And then right above the toilet, I have that acrylic little container I got from Target, which is some wet wipes, Glade, and white washcloths. And then, you know, a plunger, pretty fun. And just the basics. My trash is getting kind of full already. This is the carpet that you guys saw from Bath & Beyond, as well as the memory foam rug that I got from Target. Both of these towels are also from Target, and I just kind of like how the gray vibe is here. If we close my door, I know these aren't the same whites, don't come for me, but I just have a hook with the basics, my little towel wraps, and my normal towel just all right there. This is the shower curtain that you guys saw I got from JCPenney when they were having their sale. We have pretty tall ceilings in the bathroom as well as the bedroom, so it's pretty long. And if you open it, just the stereotypical shower caddy. I kind of want to show you guys how tall this thing is because it's ridiculous. So like here I am, and literally like, look how tall that is. Maybe I look stupid right now, but it is so tall. That is just ridiculous. I have to stand on my tippy toes to get my shampoo, but it's fine. So pretty spacious. Okay, and if we're looking at the cabinets, if you open these are just the basic under sink storage items. You have cleaners, all your mouthwash, everything like that. I just have all my contact stuff, some face products that I use every day, and then all of my vitamins and medicine. And back there I have toilet paper. All my cleaning is in a bin back there. And if you open this one, I have my everyday products that normally sit on top of my cube, but I really like the way it looks when I don't have anything on surfaces recently. And then I have that organizer for my palettes that I haven't unpacked yet. And then my little cube and my little knob fell off, so that's disappointing, but that just holds my makeup. And then I have my eyelash extension stuff back there and shampoo. And if we open this one, so I just have my everyday little face products, my Milani refreshing spray, my CeraVe retinol serum, my moisturizer, just very basic items. And under everything, if you can see, I have that marble no slip paper I bought from Dollar Tree. And it looks really good in the sink. And then obviously just my toothbrush. So that is pretty much what's in my bathroom, and now I want to show you guys everything that is in the main part of my room, and it's a mess, so just a fair warning. So what you see is this carpet. This was in my room before and it's kind of breaking a little bit, but it'll do for now. And if you have an overview of everything, here we are. Again, it is so messy because I'm not done unpacking yet. I have my TV, my really big mirror that I did around the thrift store, and I'm planning on uploading a thrift DIY. So the closet is ginormous. I clearly have yet to put any of my clothes away. This is just a mess. Yeah, it's just really tragic. So that's just the closet. It does have a light switch, which is nice. So it's huge, but like I said, have not gotten to that yet. I just have my mirror right here, which was in my old room and I had to bring it with me. Okay. And then I have the little white stool in front of it that normally I'm sitting on when I film, but so you guys never see that. And then around my window, I just brought some lights from home, and I have had these curtains forever, and I got them from Family Dollar, I think. Yeah. And then on my bed, I just have everything that I've had on my old bed, but I just have a bunch of clothes on it right now because I'm trying to sort some laundry. But I think this little layout looks really good. And again, you guys are gonna get an official, like, actual tour when everything's clean and there's nothing on the surfaces. And I have a nightstand with my swimsuit sitting on it, and again, it's not unpacked yet. And I have lots and lots of boxes and bags over here. So, and the desk, I really love the desk. The chair looks super good, and I just have one of these little furry things laying on top of it. And again, this is not unpacked, so I apologize, but I really love how this mirror looks, and I think it just gives the room a completely different vibe and also makes it look really clean and bigger. I also have my little bamboo plant, so that looks super good. My TV, obviously, with this cube. So honestly, guys, I just have so much unpacking to do. So that is pretty much just everything that consists of what I moved in here with. I know that this move-in vlog did not go the way that I intended it to. You guys really did not get to see me unpack or anything like that, so I totally get it. This video is not what you thought it was. However, I definitely was just super overwhelmed when I got here, not in a negative way. I just felt like I needed to have like my own little space, and honestly, just trying to film it all was just really chaotic and not gonna work. So I just wanted to make sure that I got pretty much just something for you guys. So definitely give us a thumbs up, and I am so excited to start cooking and showing you guys what I eat. Those are the type of vlogs that are gonna go well because I'm totally looking forward to them, and those are not gonna stress me out once I have everything done and unpacked. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. And also remember to stay tuned because I am going to have an official, nice, clean, and organized apartment room tour coming soon. So I will see you honeys next time.